Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off photo memories on Android. If you want to turn off photo memories on Android, so let's see how can you do it. First you have to open Google Photos app in your phone and then tap on your profile icon, just tap on it. And then go to photo settings, tap on it, and here you just have to tap on preferences, tap on it. Here you'll get the option of memories, tap on it, and here you have the option of memory types, tap on it, and here you can see there are two options, time based memories and theme based memories. You just have to disable them. If you want to turn off photo memories on Android, then the other option is creation, just tap on it, and here you'll get some more options. You just have to disable them all, and that's all. You have successfully turned off photo memories on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.